of lifting up the paints from my previous pour, I sort of picked up my piece of plastic, which I love these soft pieces of plastic backing. They are the backing from doing graphics, digital graphics, and graphics that the large rolls with all the colourful graphics that go on to get stuck onto cars and that, and this is the backing paper from it. And it's very good for this sort of thing. I find it cleans up easily. I can lift it up from either side, and I can tip that paint then all the way down into a container to reuse again for on another canvas as the base coat. But today I decided I'd do some chevron style art the way that 𝐏𝐸𝐜𝐲𝐥𝐢 does, and dip my painting into the colours, or sorry, I should say dip my canvas into the colours to see what I can get. So I'm going to now pop this canvas down and hope, see what I can get. It's very slippery surface, I'm afraid. So this could be interesting when I lift it. Just want to make sure it all gets covered, but if it doesn't, I can do the balloon repair jobs that 𝐏𝐸𝐜𝐲𝐥𝐢 also does with great success. But at the moment it's feeling pretty good. So I'd love to see what pattern comes out from this. And I'm going to lift it now from the top to the bottom and hope. Gently pull it away. It wants to grip and cling, so I'm going to have to put my hand down on the plastic to lift it back and see, wow, what I get. Oh wow, I'm loving it. That is really, really nice. It's slightly more blended than I expected, but then I guess that's because the base colours from the previous pour were blended. But that is looking really nice. I'm just going to grab my torch here and give it a bit of a blow. Get some of those bubbles out. I've obviously got a hard piece on my canvas here as well. I think that was from my yellow paint where it was blocking the squirt part. That's it. Managed to get that off. Good. I'll just give it another quick going over with the torch because there's quite a few bubbles. And now of course I am going to dip all the sides as quickly as I can so that I don't lose my pattern. I've already got some good paint along that edge there, which I can just lift the paint from along the sides and just bring that down like so. And then for the long edges I'm just going to dip it down quickly on both sides. Oh, my leg got wobbly. That tends to happen. And then just I'm going to tilt it slightly because I don't want those edges right up. That leg's going to annoy me wiggling around, but it's the reason why the legs wiggle round, of course, is because I have a little bit of Vaseline, a pot of Vaseline, and I put a little on each one of the giant push pins before I put them into the wood on the back of the canvas so that they are easy to get in and out. Okay, and that edge is done. Almost. And there's another canvas, and probably what I'll keep that for is as the backing for something else, like I might put chains over it. Once it's dry I'll use some different colours and do a chain pull over it to see what I can get from that. It's a while since I've done a complete chain pull, so I'm actually looking forward to getting back to doing that again. once I've got some of these other techniques sorted that I've been trying to learn. As I've kept working on that, it has some of the little sort of lacing cells have started coming through because some of my colours had metallic in them, and so they've started to show little circly lacy type patterns, and that's really pretty. I'm happy with that. So I'll put it down even though it's right in the middle of that lot, and that's it. I'm quite happy with what I've done there. It'll be my video for today. It'll be a very short video, of course, but that's not a problem for me either. Yes, I'm very pleased with it. The colours are certainly bright. Okay, so that's it for this video. Once again, thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.